Hey seashells, it's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you my night routine. Basically, this was legit the night before I had school. This was not altered for this video. This wasn't planned. I just literally took the camera and set it up. So after I came in and whatever, sat down for a few minutes, I got my stuff ready to go take a shower. I live on dorms, so I have to pack those shoes to bathing because I am not putting my bare feet in those nasty showers. So after all that's packed, then I head off to putting my hair up and trying to fit that shower cap over it. Then after that, I head on to the bathroom. You dig? So after I get to the bathroom, I start cleansing my face. I use this clean and clear morning burst thingy along with this blackhead eliminating scrub by Garnier. I do the cleanser first and then the exfoliator, and I also use the Vanity Planet spin brush to help along with this. As you can see, I'm pretty repetitive. Do that, wash my face, get over with, then I brush my teeth, then I proceed to take my clothes off and go to the shower. Now I'm out and we're heading back to the room. So after I get in, put my stuff down, take out something to wear, like my pajamas and whatever, get changed, and then I put on my moisturizer, my face moisturizer. Well, I put on my deodorant and all that already off camera, so yeah. Since the next day is school, I try to look for my outfit for school and get it all laid out so I can be ready the next morning. And yeah, after I do that, I put my bonnet and scarf on, hop into the bed, get on my laptop for a few minutes and on my phone, basically until I knock out. So yeah, that's all I really do for my night routine. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, comment, click the bell for post notifications, and subscribe. Bye.